Hey y'all, in today's video we are going to customize a YouTube channel. If you watched the last video, you saw that we actually created the channel. Now we're about to customize the YouTube channel. So from this screen, after we created the channel, we're going to click customize channel. Okay, welcome to YouTube Studio. We're just going to click continue. Alright, so another way I want to show you how you can also customize your channel too if you aren't at this screen. You can click your picture up here at the top, which is the picture that we set as our channel profile picture. So we're just going to click it, and then from there you can click your channel, and that's how you can get to this page to customize your channel. So if you get lost, that's one way you can get to this page. And then another way is if you click your profile icon again and you click YouTube Studio. Now from the YouTube Studio, if you go down here to customization, this is where you can land for the channel customization. So I just wanted to show you both ways that you can actually get to this screen. All right, so here on the channel customization page, you actually have your profile where you can add more information about you, about your channel here in your profile settings. So from here, I'm going to upload a banner. This would be that background image that would be in your profile. So I'm just going to upload a basic banner, a picture, an image for my banner, my channel art. So as you can see inside of this screen here in the blue, it shows you basically how your banner would look on a TV, a desktop, or on all devices. So this is just kind of give you an idea of what it will look like. And if you drag these corners, you shrink it down or make it bigger. And you can also move it up and down and get it right there where you like it. So just get it how you like it, and you could adjust your banner. If you guys want a video about banners and pictures and images, let me know in the comments and we could definitely do a whole nother video about that. So I'm just gonna click done. This was just a random image that I had. So yeah, I'm gonna click done. So now we have our banner, and as you can see here, it shows you how it would look on a computer, a phone, or a big screen TV. All right, so we already set our profile picture, so that's already done. We have our name, we have our handle, and as you can see here, it basically tells you that you can change your name twice in 14 days, and you can change your handle back within 14 days. So handles can be changed twice every 14 days as well. So be mindful of that. Make sure you set it to something that you like, so you won't be stuck with the handle that you don't like for 14 days basically. All right, so we got pronouns, and then we have our description. Here is where you would actually put whatever you want the people to know about you and about your channel. So my channel is about fantastic people. And I'm not spelling right. Fantastic people. Subscribe for all of the good stuff. I don't know. We'll add a little emoji. All right, so that'll be your description. You can put that there. You have the options to do different languages. So if you speak any different type of languages, you can add that there. This will be your channel URL. So basically this is the unique URL that YouTube gives every channel. So you could take this, copy it, and paste it and send it off to people if you want. Here is where you add links. Now links would be anywhere external outside of YouTube. So if you had an Instagram account, a Facebook account, a website, an Etsy shop, anywhere you would want people to go, put those links here. For instance, if I had a Facebook page, I would put www.facebook.com/fantastic people 2025, and that would be that first link. And that would be the first one. You don't have to do anything from this screen. I'll show you how all of this would actually display when you get done. So if you wanted to add another one, you would click add link and then just go from there. You can click this little trash can icon to delete anything. Here is where you would actually input an email account. So for security purposes, you do not want to use the email account that you use to sign up for YouTube. So for instance, I use fantasticpeople2025@gmail.com. You don't want to use that here because people, that's just the way that you'll be vulnerable, and people will be able to hack your account, and you just don't want to do that because there's a lot of spammy crazy people out here in the world that do crazy things. So especially if your account get monetized and people know that it's monetized, and they'll try to get into your account. So make sure you use a whole different email address right here. And this is going to be beneficial for if people want to reach out to you in the future and do some work with you, do some collaborations, any type of brand deals, any of that. You want to put that here. I'm not going to put anything right there for now. You have the video watermark, and what this is just basically an image that you choose that would show on your videos. And I'm not gonna worry about that right now either. So that's basically where you would come and edit all of your information about your profile. Now, before you go off of this page, you want to make sure you click publish. This is how you save everything you just put in here. If you don't click publish, none of this stuff will save. So make sure you click publish. So we're gonna click on publish. And now it says changes have been published. And if you want to click view channel right here, it'll show you what the channel actually would look like. So now if we click more right here, this will show you all of the about information about our channel. So now we're gonna click customize channel to go back in here to just look at some more settings inside of our channel. So from here you have the home tab. So this shows your channel home tab. It says show your channel home tab to highlight a showcase content for your audience. So basically you have to toggle this on because it's off. So if you click here, it toggles on, and then as you can see here, you have a layout. All right, so on here you have a for you section. And basically, as you start to upload more content and more videos, YouTube is going to automatically know what your audience likes, like what your viewers like, and they're going to drop a for you, like a video specifically for them that they think that viewer would be interested in. And they're going to put it right here at the top of your home page. And then when videos get uploaded, they'll be right here. This section will appear after a short video has been uploaded. Anytime you go live, you'll have that here. And any playlist, you'll have that here. Now, as you can see, we have these little icons where you can drag and drop. So if you wanted this section to maybe put your videos at the top, you can put them at the top. Or your live streams, you can drag them and put them at the top. So just be mindful of that. And right here at the top, over here at the right, we have these 3 dots. As you can see, as I go through each section, I have these 3 dots. If you click them, you can select the 3 dots and hit remove section, and it'll just take the section completely off. Right? So that's just the home tab. That's what we show when people first visit your page. And so I'm gonna just toggle that back off. And now over here to the left hand side, we have our dashboard. And we're just gonna discard changes. We already made our changes. So our dashboard basically shows us the analytics about our channel. As you post more videos and content, the dashboard just kind of give you feedback off your channel. It shows you your views, your watch time, all of the stuff, your subscribers, all of that. And also make sure you install YouTube Studio. It's an actual app in the App Store or in the Play Store, whatever phone you have. You can download it as well to see all of this information as well, because you can't see this on the regular YouTube app. You have to have YouTube Studio. All right, so now we're gonna go down to content, and content just basically shows all of your videos, all of the things that you have on your channel. I'm gonna do a whole separate video about uploading videos, but here is where you will basically see all of the content that you have uploaded into your channel. Here is your channel analytics, and of course we have nothing right now because it's a brand new channel, but this is going to be beneficial as your channel grows, because your channel will grow. It's going to be, you're going to have many subscribers, you're going to be monetized, all of that good stuff. So this is going to be beneficial for you to come and just see how your channel is doing. Here we have the community tab, is where you basically can upload post to your community, to your subscribers, and you'll be able to see comments and activity from the community here. Channel subtitles is basically where you would have any subtitles if you had that on your videos. Then we have copyright, which would show if you had any type of copyright strikes or content that has a copyright strike against it. So just be mindful of that. Be mindful of the sounds you use, the music, all of that stuff. Earn is where you would go when it's time for your channel to be monetized. And you have to have so many watch hours and so many subscribers before you get monetized. So hopefully everybody will get to that point. Then you have customization, which is where we went to actually customize our channel, where you make any of your changes to your pictures, your about, your description, all of that good stuff. And then you have the audio library, which is YouTube's audio library. It has some sounds that you could probably use on some of your songs that YouTube offers to you. All right, so here in the settings, I want to go here in the settings and just show you some things. In the settings, you have your currency, which is the currency that you would use to receive money on your channel. And then you have basic information about your channel. So like here, you can go in and put that you're from what country you're in and any keywords that are related to your channel. So if you talked about sports, if you talked about basketball, you could put those in here, and that would be beneficial for you to get into the keyword search, and people will be able to find you more. So on the audience tab, this is where you would go to select what type of content you have. If you have this channel set for kids, if you say, yes, this channel is set for kids, be mindful that when you do that, people can't comment on your videos. So be mindful of that, because I've seen people create channels and they were wondering why folks couldn't comment. It's because if you ever select this channel is made for kids, then people will not be able to comment. So just be mindful of that. All right, and so that's just talking more about the advanced channel settings. So you just go through there and read. I don't really, most of the time I just say, no, this channel is not made for kids. If you had a Google Ads account, you will link it here. Right here where it says automatic captions, don't show potential inappropriate words. So you click that there. If you had your captions turned on, click that so that it wouldn't show anything that's inappropriate. We got advertisements, disable interest-based ads, clips allows views to clip my content if you wanted that. So just read through the advanced settings and see what you want, what you would like added or turned on or turned off based off your channel. Now in the feature eligibility, you can manage your access to more features here. Intermediate and advanced features require additional verification. So make sure you go through here and turn these on. So you do have standard features that's already enabled. Intermediate features, you might want to try to enable that as well. You have to verify your phone number. And then advanced features, increase daily video uploads and live streams. So you want to make sure you turn it on too. To me, I think it's important that you take advantage of anything that you can to make sure your channel is up to par and ready for content, ready to get into the YouTube algorithm. So just make sure you go in here and enable all of these features, because it's going to be beneficial for your channel. Do whatever you can so that you can make sure people are able to find you and able to come to your channel. All right, so now we have upload defaults, and basically this is, if you had this set, this would be what would show for your title and for your descriptions for every video that you upload. So be mindful of that. I'm not gonna put that here because I always put my own titles and descriptions based off of what the current video is about. Then you have the advanced settings where you have automatic chapters, which would allow the key moments of the chapters, kind of like when you're talking in the video, it basically breaks down what you're talking about. You know how you go through videos and you can see maybe if it's talking about the intro or it's talking about a certain subject. This is what that is basically. And then you have license, language, comments turned on. Of course, you want your comments on. Permissions, and this is where you would invite people to maybe kind of help you manage your YouTube channel. So if you blow up and you don't have time, you could invite 2, 3, 4, however many people to help you manage your channel. They could probably come in here and upload videos, or maybe respond to people or whatever. They could come in here and have access. If you invite them, it tells you what type of access they would have based off of what you select. So if you click invite, you would put their email in there, and then you would give them whatever access you would want them to have. All right, and so then we have community moderations. This is where you could add you a moderator, somebody that could help you out, especially like when you go live and if people saying stuff crazy. You can add those people in there, people that can help you out in the community. People that already have a YouTube channel, you would basically paste their channel URL and then they would be added as moderators on your lives, especially if people are coming in saying stuff crazy. You want to make sure you got somebody that's moderating because you gonna be focused on the content. So you want to make sure you got a couple people that can help you out during your live stream. And then you have blocked words. So for instance, if people are saying cuss words, if you want to come here, you can put those in there, and block links. If people try to put links in your chats, in your live videos, you can block that so that they won't be in your live, spamming your live. Okay. All right, so on the defaults here, we got comments on, basic moderation. I usually keep all of this the same. Then we have creator demographics, help make YouTube more inclusive. Providing this information is optional. You may delete your answers anytime. So this is basically something that YouTube uses as, I guess you could say, feedback to make the platform better. And then we have agreements. And so basically that is your settings in YouTube. That is how you come in and customize your channel. I'm going to do more videos to show you about creating content, uploading content, and all of that good stuff. So I hope this was beneficial. Let me know in the comments if it was. And until next time, y'all remember, do not stress, because with Tech Baby, you will become the best. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.